guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dom C. We are here at the home studio and we have an unboxing for you guys. I know you can see it right here, but we just got the Adam Audio T7Vs. Oh yeah. So to give y'all a little history behind it, when I first got to the studio, Mix Masters Miami, they had the Adam Audio A77Xs, and those things always blew me away. We just recently got another pair of Adams at the studio, and the quality of them is unmatched in my opinion. I enjoy them a lot. I like the detail on them, and you can see behind me I have some Yamaha HS7s. I've been with Yamaha since like 2015, so it's been a long time, and I'm just ready to kind of like switch it up. I kind of already know what to expect on those speakers. Not to mention these are they got some years on them, so you know, felt like I just needed to get some new ones to get some better quality out of it. So, you know, we're gonna unbox it. So you got your little power adapter, got your little manual here, and then to the meat and the potatoes. As you can see, I'll turn this aside a little bit. So you got your speaker, got your ribbon tweeters on your back, you got high pass, low pass, got your volume knob, balanced, unbalanced, so you can switch between power and obviously port where you plug those in. Fine. All right, so I'm gonna go back to getting these set up. Let's get it. Set up, took down the Yamahas, put these up. So off of first impression, just had some reggae music playing in the background. I'm hearing qualities inside of the speakers that I haven't heard like in a long time in comparison to with the Yamahas. Now, nothing against Yamaha. Like I said, these have years and years and years of audio being blasted through them, so they have a little bit more of like wear and tear to them. They've been used at our studio, you feel me? They got super high traffic there, so that's definitely another factor to them. But man, off of first impression, off of just listening to this here, it's crazy. It's definitely crazy. So I'm really excited. And now let's get into some actual features and qualities of these speakers. These are 7-inch two-way monitors, so that means that it's got a 7-inch woofer, and they also come with a U-Art tweeter. These speakers are designed to give accurate, detailed, and balanced reproduction of the audio that you are listening to. That's why these speakers are good for mixing and mastering, because you get to hear the fine details in all of the audio being played. On the back end of the speakers, you're able to control the high pass, the low pass, as well as the volume knob. So set it up to whatever works best inside of your room. Now let's talk about performance. Like I said, initially off of just hooking them up and hearing a song that being played from earlier on the Yamahas to the MacBook speakers and then now on the Adams, the quality is crazy. The fine details really do stand out. And that's what these speakers are made for, performance. Because of the advanced drivers that are featured inside of these speakers, they allow you to get a true recreation of the audio in which you're hearing. Probably gonna say this wrong, but the woofer is made of polypropylene. Anyways, correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Provides a well-defined bass line, so that way you get the best of both worlds, to where you can hear the high quality, high range, as well as the beefy, punchy low end. One thing I noticed too, and you've seen in the video, I literally just set the speakers on where they were. I didn't even set up the perfect triangle for the listening spot. And one thing I can tell you is that as soon as I stepped into it, it definitely has a very wide range. So even if they aren't perfectly set to symmetrical distances, you still have a very wide range of the sweet spot because of these tweeters. Reason why I like Adam Audio is because they are known for their quality that comes out of their speaker. You're gonna get crystal clear, you're gonna get punchiness from the low end, and a very detailed mid-range. And I know everybody says the Yamaha HS8s are one of the best mixing speakers because they have a very flat frequency. Adam Audio as well has a very flat frequency response, which I'll put somewhere here on the screen. And because of the fact that these speakers are relatively flat, not to mention they provide so much detail inside of the audio, it's a reason why Adam Audio is top of the line when it comes to their speakers. If you are someone that the quality of the audio matters, like someone who's doing a lot of mixing, mastering, or you just want to hear all the fine details, these speakers are great for a project studio home setup. As you can see, you're gonna get high quality studio performance out of these speakers for a budget friendly price. I purchased mine through Sweetwater. They sent me some candy, you know, the good old vibes. This is great. Thank you to Alan for helping me grab these speakers. I've been plotting on them for a long time, been doing a lot of research. Make sure you do your due diligence in terms of doing your research, understanding what you're actually getting yourself into. These speakers retail at about like $500, so it's a little bit of money that you're going to be putting into it, but again, you get what you pay for. I'm really excited. Like I said, I've wanted to jump into the Adam Audios since I first started working at the studio, so I'm definitely happy to be adding these to my collection. I've watched a whole bunch of reviews. I have not heard anything bad about it. Everybody says that it's crazy that these are priced at the range that they are. So if anybody out there is watching this and you are getting into mixing and mastering, or you already are, this is a great pair of speakers to have at the house, just so that way you can get that same quality as you would while you're in the studio. Alright guys, and that's it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. This is Dom C. If you guys have any questions about anything, any equipment that you're looking to get into, leave those in the comments below. Definitely would like to have some conversation, see what you guys are interested in, what type of monitors you have. I appreciate you tuning in, and until the next one.